Assalamu alaikum students. So, what do you think? Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone.
वालेकुम सलाम मैम।
Ji beta, should we wait for more students or you think that we will have just two students as in other classes today? Hmm? Just wait for 2 minutes if we can have more students. At least students should attend today's lecture. It's going to be the last Zoom lecture today. From tomorrow onwards, you have your winter vacations along with your winter task. So, at least you should have attended today's lecture. Where has Zafir gone? Zafir isn't into the in the class today. Okay, just wait for 2 more minutes. If someone will join, or I have to start the class with few people only. Okay, I think no other students are going to join. So we can start our class, I think. Okay, students, open your books on page number 40. Which number do we have? Okay, students, open your books on page number 43. Girls, open your books on page number 43. In the meanwhile, let me give them a message in the WhatsApp group. Okay, we have Amna as well. Okay, students, open page number 43 and let's start. On page number 43, we have exercise, vocabulary exercise. Complete the missing letters in the words below to match the meaning given on the right. All these words have prefixes dis. Okay, you're gonna complete the word. To put out of place. To put out of place. Girls, be quick. You're gonna put the prefix dis. Ji beta?
Locate, dislocate,
Dislocate. That's good. Very nice. Next, the meaning is to be unhappy. To be unhappy. Wake up, girls. Just three participants
Ma'am,
and
dissatisfied.
dissatisfied. I don't only want answers from Iman. Amna, Arwa, wake up. To divert. To divert.
Distract.
That
What?
Distract.
That's good. Distract. To exclude.
Disqualify.
Disqualify. That's good. To doubt.
Disbelieve.
disbelief,
Disbelieve. To reject.
Disapprove.
disapprove.
Disapprove. That's good. Now use the above words in sentences. Okay, we'll just use two or three words, not more. Okay, we can use disqualify in a sentence. Make a sentence of disqualify.
Our, our team was disqualified from the final.
That's good. The our team is disqualified from the final. And we can use dislocate. Dislocate.
मैम ये
His
बन
arm got
सकते हैं सेंटेंस
dislocated after the accident.
Uh, that's good, Arwa. Ji Iman, what you were saying?
his leg was dislocated in an accident.
Not only the leg, you can talk about a joint. That the joint was dislocated after an accident. Okay, done. Now move on to the next page. It's page number 46. Page number 46. Open page number 46 of your books. There we have position of adverbs. Place adverbs at appropriate places. I am happy when it is my birthday.
I am always happy when it is my birthday.
That's good. I'm always happy when it is my birthday. My brother gets up at 6 o'clock from Monday to Friday as he goes jogging.
My brother often gets up at 6 o'clock from Monday to Friday as he goes jogging.
That's good. Very nice. He went to the market last night. You need to use of last night. Where we are going to use last night? Girls, Amna, I want the answer from you. He went to the market and the adverb is last night. So set the position of adverb. Amna,
Last night he went to the market.
no, we can say that he went to the market last night. Got it? Okay. Have
Yes,
you
ma'am.
ever been to Hunza? Oh, sorry. Have you been to Hunza Valley? And the adverb is ever.
Have you ever been to Hunza Valley?
That's good. Have you ever been to Hunza Valley? Very nice. The birds were chirping. The adverb is beautifully.
The birds were
The
chirping
birds
beautifully.
were chirping beautifully.
That's good. Very nice. Okay. I am waiting for Khalid to arrive. I have been waiting for over 20 minutes. And the adverb is
I
still.
am still
Gigi.
I am still waiting for Khalid to arrive.
That's good. I'm still waiting for Khalid to arrive. I have been waiting for over 20 minutes. He saw a blind beggar, and the adverb is in the market.
He saw a blind beggar
He
in the
saw a
market.
blind beggar in the market.
Very nice, very good. Adverb phrase. Okay. An adverb phrase is a group of words that function like an adverb. So, what are you going to do? That you're going to find a suitable adverb to replace each adverb phrase in the following sentences. Our teacher wanted that work to be done without delay. So, this is adverb phrase. You will find an adverb to replace that adverb phrase.
मैम इसका ये सेंटेंस हो सकता है our teacher wanted that work to be done immediately.
Yes, that good. At our teacher wanted that work to be done immediately. That's good. Very nice. She is without doubt the most caring person I have met. Girls,
She is undoubtedly the most caring person I have met.
that's good. She is undoubtedly the most caring person I have met. Uh, the next page, I think I didn't upload. You can have the, if you have the books in front of you, you can do it from your book. This plant flowers once every year.
This plant flowers yearly.
Yearly, that's good. You should complete the work in a while.
You should complete the work shortly.
Okay, that's good. Very nice. It can be shortly. The two old friends met each other by accident.
The two old friends met each other accidentally.
The two old friends accidentally meet each other. That's good. Or meet each other accidentally. That's good, girls. Very nice. Okay, now let's move on to the next page. Well, there's no next page because the exercises were solved in my book. You can open the page number 47 of your books. The exercises were solved on my books. That's why I did not uh, upload that page on the slide. We have on this page 47, we have gerunds and infinitives. The verbs can take gerunds after them, and the verbs that can take infinitives after them. Gerund and infinitives आपको पता है, we just need to complete the exercise. Complete the following sentences with infinitives or gerunds, whichever is appropriate. We felt the plane dash in the storm. Shake.
Shaking.
Shaking. So
Shaking.
that's good. Shaking. It's a gerund that we felt the plane shaking in the storm. By the way, what is a gerund?
Ma'am, shaking because ing होते ना.
That's good. Very nice. That's what I was asking. That what is a gerund? Gerund is basically the verbal noun. Then the ing form of verb is used as a noun. So these are gerunds. And I have always disliked dash.
Smoking.
That's good. It's a gerund again. Smoking. Where did you learn dash French?
Speak French.
To speak. Where did you learn to speak French? Where did you learn to speak French? Okay. Is the exhibition worth dash?
Visiting.
That's good. I don't mind. Get up early.
Getting up early.
I don't mind to get up early. Girls, आप दोनों भी क्लास में हैं. You both are here in the class as well. Okay. We would love dash come with you. We would love dash come
To
with
come
you.
with you.
To come with you. Okay. Uh, she seems dash this place.
She seems to know this place.
That's good. Very nice. She seems to know this place. Then the next page, the page is 48. The page is page number 48. Open that page. Open that page. Just wait a minute for a while. Okay. Identify gerunds and infinitives in the following sentences. Minor cuts and scrapes usually stop bleeding on their own.
Ma'am, bleeding is gerund.
That's good. To clean the area around the wound, use soap and a washcloth.
To clean infinitive.
Don't keep checking to see if the bleeding has stopped.
Ma'am, checking or bleeding gerund है,
No,
or to see?
no. To see is infinitive. Checking is not gerund. Bleeding is gerund. Checking is verb. Amna,
Ma'am,
Arwa.
ing है ना?
Beta, not all the ing forms are the here ing form is used as a verb, and the bleeding is used as a gerund. Got it?
Yes.
So try to keep it out of the actual wound.
To keep, infinitive.
That's good. If a rash appears, stop using the ointment.
Using
That's
gerund.
good. If dirt or debris remains in the wound after washing, use tweezers cleaned with alcohol to remove the particles.
Hmm.
अच्छा अदीदा, आपने ना इसमें एक दफा डेट्स सारी देख लेनी है कि मैंने सही की नहीं है, मैंने कोई गलत तो नहीं डेट डाली, जरा प्लीज कैलेंडर खोल के तो आप देख लेना और फिर मुझे बताना कि सही है कि नहीं है.
Okay. Beta, washing is gerund and to remove is infinitive. Got it, Iman?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Arva and Amna, you are just listening. I don't know rather I don't even know that whether you are listening or not. You're not even listening as well, I think, Hannah.
Ma'am, I'm listening.
Ma'am, I'm listening.
Oh, thank you so much. Why not
Ma'am,
giving me
actually,
the
I'm not
response?
at home.
Actually, where are you?
I'm not at home. I'm at the market.
Oh, you are in the market. Very nice. How passionate my students are that they are even attending the classes in the market. Very nice. That's good. The market people would be thinking what she is doing if you're gonna reply, Hannah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, change the following sentences into passive voice. Subject in the passive sentences may be skipped. You must put out all smoking materials. You must put out all smoking materials.
All smoking materials must be put out.
That's good. Very nice. Okay. You must fasten the seat belt.
Seat belt must be fastened.
That's very nice. They will demonstrate safety precautions.
मैम इसका ये हो सकता है safety precautions will be demonstrated.
That's good. It will be safety precautions will be demonstrated. That's good. You should read. You should read the safety instructions.
Safety instructions should be read.
Safety instruction should be read.
Read.
You can store small packages in the overhead compartment.
Small packages can be stored in the overhead compartment.
That's good. Small packages can be stored in the overhead compartment. Okay. So students, it's done. So as you know that from tomorrow onwards, you're going to have your winter vacations. So you'll not have the online classes, but you will have the winter task to be done. And I just want to discuss a bit about English winter task that I have given you the letters and applications from the reviewed syllabus, from the review that are given in the reviewed syllabus. So what you are going to do, you will write those applications and letters, and even the essay writings. I have given you the essay writings. So you will write those essays. After getting back to schools, I will check your essays and applications, and it would be as material saved with you for the federal board papers. Got it, students? So please do your work properly. and that would the work would have the weightage in your examinations. So you have to do your work. Rather, it's a beneficial thing for you that you need to do it, because it will be a record for the preparation of your federal board papers. So please do write these properly with the following the proper patterns, and the essays should be written according to the required word limit. You will write the essays according to your required word limit, ठीक है, by the federal board. Got it, students?
मैम जो रिव्यूड सिलेबस में जितने भी ऐसे के टॉपिक्स हैं वो सारे लिखने हैं?
Yes, I have given it to you, that you have to write all the essay topics of the reviewed syllabus. So you will do everything,
Yes.
ठीक है? So that I will check the essays, I will correct your mistakes, and then it will be easy for you to prepare for the board papers. Okay, students? Okay, then you are just two students. There is no need to do anything else. So we can end our meeting for today now. We can end our meeting over here for today. Okay, everyone, take care of yourselves. Enjoy your winter break. And first and the foremost thing is take care of your health. Don't go out. If the students cannot go to school, try not to go out of the home for anything else as well. Got it? Your health is the most important thing. So take care of yourselves and best of luck. Enjoy your winter break and come back with the complete work. Okay, everyone? Allah
Okay.
Hafiz for now.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.